everyone, here's Adris with WTI, and I want to show you this curtain.
I like clarity at home, and I really like these curtains because I can control the brightness coming from outside. I can open and close them as many times as I want to have more or less light. The one I have is super long, covering the whole window, and I can leave it halfway or have it fully closed, depending on the style I want. I love the material because it's soft and super easy to clean. I just need to wipe them with a damp cloth, which is great because I don't have to struggle with washing them. I also love the light and dark brown color because it adds a more elegant and homely touch to the house. So this is a great choice.
And that is my point of view.